Welcome everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we will explore the shifting dynamics in the job market, brought on by the rise of artificial intelligence and automation. We will shed light on how these technological advancements are transforming the perception of blue-collar jobs and why we need to reevaluate their importance. So, stick around to discover how technology is disrupting traditional professions and paving the way for a new era of opportunities in the built world. Traditionally, blue-collar jobs have carried a somewhat negative stigma, prompting many individuals to seek out college degrees and white-collar professions. However, the rise of artificial intelligence, or AI, is reshaping the workplace in unexpected ways. Generative AI is gaining popularity, prompting us to reconsider what we value in professions and careers. In the past, automation was primarily focused on replacing blue-collar workers conducting monotonous tasks on assembly lines. Gradually, business process automation tools started taking over low-level office jobs like data entry. This trend is likely to persist, but what's intriguing is the rapid impact AI and machine learning are having on more complex white-collar jobs in fields like law, marketing, and programming. An increasing number of layoffs in white-collar professions and the growing difficulty in securing such jobs, coupled with a rising shortage of blue-collar workers, suggests that AI, robotics, and automation might be on the brink of reversing the status of white-collar professionals and blue-collar workers for the first time in history. AI excels at handling digital tasks. It can process data at unimaginable speeds. In a matter of seconds, AI can analyze vast amounts of data and identify trends that would take humans weeks or even lifetimes to uncover. This indicates that AI has enormous potential to take over many tasks that are common in the white-collar world. Yet, when it comes to the physical built world, technology still has a long way to go. AI and robotics are still learning to take in sensory inputs like humans and develop common sense knowledge. Companies like Boston Dynamics and Tesla Bot have ambitious plans for humanoid robots, but they acknowledge there are still significant challenges. Building robots that can balance, move like humans, or even just not fall over when bumped is no easy task. Industries operating in the physical world, like healthcare, retail, food service, and manufacturing, are facing labor shortages. As the workforce ages and retires, companies are struggling to replace them with younger, skilled workers. These jobs are often more challenging. They can be physically demanding and require managing difficult relationships. They're also less predictable and can be impacted by factors beyond an employee's control. But a shift is underway. Careers in the physical world are beginning to gain more recognition. Salaries and compensation are on the rise. Healthcare workers are experiencing the largest salary increase in 20 years. Hourly rates for leisure and hospitality workers have increased by nearly 22% post-pandemic. Manufacturers are offering sign-on bonuses, more flexible work schedules, frequent salary increments, and retention incentives. With the advent of AI and the challenges of securing white-collar jobs, blue-collar and other built-world positions are being elevated to new heights. Pay and benefits are on the rise, and may soon equal or even exceed some white-collar positions. However, the real challenge lies in changing society's perception of these professions. We all depend on the physical world, and we need to start appreciating those who keep it running. If we don't encourage younger generations and those struggling in the white-collar world to consider careers in the built world, we'll all experience the consequences of a dwindling supply of physical world goods and services. So let's begin reevaluating our views on blue-collar jobs in the built world. These careers are important, valued, and fulfilling. And with the rise of technology, they're becoming more crucial than ever. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the shifting job market dynamics, the rise of AI and automation, and the increasing importance of blue-collar jobs. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our work at UpKeep, visit upkeep.com. Let's continue to appreciate and value the workers who keep our physical world running. Until next time.